What's up? How are you? Good morning. Today I'm bringing you a spectacular video about artificial intelligence. Yeah, why? If we ask ourselves what would happen if we could generate cinematic videos with Hollywood-level effects using just a photo and some text, that's exactly what the artificial intelligence I'm bringing you today does. Higgsfield? Yeah. In this video, I'll explain how it works, what you can do without paying a single euro, and what artificial intelligence concepts you'll learn without even realizing it while using it. Higgsfield is one of the video and image generation platforms with artificial intelligence created specifically for content creators and filmmakers. It's not just another image generator, any old one. It's a complete suite with video, image, audio, and editing tools, and even consistent characters. Its main proposal is to give you real cinematic control. Camera movements, visual effects, filming styles, all controlled with text and your own photo. The truth is that it's a spectacular artificial intelligence. It was founded in San Francisco and currently integrates some of the best AI models in the world. Seedance 2.0, Kling 2.5, VO3, Sora 2, GPT, Image 2. We have Flux and its own model called Soul, designed for fashion and aesthetics. Let's see what this platform has inside. There are 5 main areas. The truth is, as I'm telling you, we can do practically, look, how crazy? We can do practically everything and some images and finishes that are totally professional. It's a big block, a big area. It's video generation. You write a prompt, upload a reference image, or use a ready-made preset, and the artificial intelligence generates a video clip. You can control the camera movement, the lighting, the visual style, as if you were an authentic, director of photography. And it's incredible, I'm telling you for real, everything you can manage to do. We also have the image generation part. It has its own models like Nano Banana Pro and Soul 2.0, plus access to GPT Image 2, Flux, Context, Seedream 4.0, and more. Each one has a different style. We can also use, for example, the viral presets. It's another big area it has. This is one of the most popular features. They are effect templates already configured. Baseball games, zombie dance, dragon fantasy, CGI breakdown, where you upload your photo and the AI makes you the star of the effect. Perfect for social media, wouldn't you say? Incredible. We also have the marketing studio and cinema studio sections for professional use. You can generate entire campaigns from just a single prompt or create cinematic scenes with advanced character control. And we have the photo dump and AI influencer part. You can create a consistent character, always with the same face, and place them in different scenes and situations. This is key to understanding how identity consistency AI works. And here comes the most interesting part of the video. I'm telling you straight, okay? Because it's the most massive part of the video. Simply put, Higgsfield is a masterclass in artificial intelligence disguised as a creative tool. All of these are concepts that you'll only understand by experimenting. For example, text to video. You write a description and the AI generates the video. You learn how video models interpret natural language to create coherent visual sequences. The key lies in prompt engineering. How you word it matters a lot. Image to video, image to video. You upload a photo and the AI animates it. This shows you how diffusion models extend visual information over time. We also have diffusion models, as we just mentioned. Diffusion models. All the models that Higgsfield uses, whether it's Seedance, Kling, Vidu, or Flux, are diffusion models. They work by adding noise to an image and learning to remove it in a controlled way to create something new. By seeing the results, you can sense how quality varies between models, and above all, character consistency is also very important, okay? Photodump and Soulcast show one of the most difficult challenges in artificial intelligence, generative, maintaining the same face identity across different generations. This involves, for example, embeddings, okay? Visual references and latent control. We also have in-painting and out-painting. The edit image feature lets you draw over an area of the image and the AI generates it. That's in painting. You learn how models fill in missing information contextually. We also have camera control with artificial intelligence. Basically, Higgsfield allows you to specify camera movements: zoom, pan, dolly, orbital. This shows you how modern models can receive spatial instructions and translate them into movement in the video. We have the multimodal AI. The platform combines text, image, video, and audio. That is a multimodal AI. Systems that process and generate multiple types of data at once. Upscaling with artificial intelligence, Topaz. Basically, the upscale function improves image and video resolution. You learn how neural networks can infer details that didn't exist in the original images. And here's the important part, right? Because really, I mean, this has a price. It has prices, but I want to show you what we can do without paying. Basically, when you sign up, we have initial free credits to explore the platform. What can you do with this? Well, test image generation with various models, okay? We could create something here, for example. Now, I'll try to create something, experiment with the viral presets, see community examples, and study the prompts they used. Basically, explore the cinema studio, the marketing studio, or the exploration mode. Browse the community gallery to get inspired and analyze results. The most valuable thing about the free plan isn't the credits, it's being able to see, study, and analyze other users' generations. The community section is a huge library of real examples with their prompts visible. So now you know, to generate continuously, you'll need a paid plan, but to learn and understand how this generative artificial intelligence works, the free access is more than enough to get started. Higgsfield AI is much more than a tool for making pretty videos. It's an open window to the current frontiers of generative artificial intelligence. If you're starting out in this world, I recommend you go in, explore the community, play with the presets, and ask yourself, how did this artificial intelligence learn to do this? It's really incredible, I'm telling you. Here, for example, we can actually describe an image. I don't know. Maybe I just want to see a Smurf giving a flower to a goblin. I don't know, I'm even writing it wrong. Come on, goblin. Let's generate. The prompts can be done in a much better way. Much better, of course. But, well, it never hurts. You can make a prompt in a spectacular way so that it does exactly everything you want to fit in that image. It starts generating it, it starts doing its thing, understanding me, doing everything it can to create a stunning image that will blow your mind, and you'll see how this is really going to turn out beautifully. Our little Smurf giving a flower to a goblin, it's going to be spectacular. And here we have the image. You can't tell me it didn't turn out cool. A Smurf giving a flower to a goblin. It's exactly what I asked for. If the video helped you, like and subscribe. I upload content on artificial intelligence, tools, and digital creativity. I'm Cabron, as you know, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.